Outdoor learning doesn't only have to happen at the forest. It isn't only science. It can happen any place. I work with teachers and they tell me like what they're learning in their classroom. And then the question usually is how can we use the outdoors to either build upon that or introduce a concept? So my job is to try to find that. And what qualifies as a school forest, for some districts, it might be a city block that's close to their school. In our case in Superior, we have approximately 700 acres, so it's a very large plot of land. It's really just any outdoor site that a school district regularly uses to teach any content area. So a lot of people mistakenly think, well, you're outside, so you're learning science. Our goal in Superior, and I think most districts, is to integrate every content area just using the outdoors as that setting versus an inside classroom. We teach math lessons. I do something called the Math Olympics with younger kids where they walk a trail and we have like different word problems related to animals or plants in the forest that they solve. A whole nother piece of the forest is we do these team building challenges. And some of them are just like kind of simple activity games. And teachers have told me they do use those back in their classrooms at school. The idea is to take any lesson that they do in their classroom, to take it outside for at least 1 hour, one time a week, to have students connect to each other, to connect with the environment, and to connect to content. And that's kind of really what we're hoping with this 1+1 to connect will do, is just give teachers that freedom and ability to say, I don't always have to be teaching with four walls around me.